just saw this Facebook post called Feminist Starter Pack, which was, just a picture of like an MA degree and, Jhola and like all, protest signs and, that kind of shit. And it just pisses me off when people paint feminists as people who are just constantly whining and, oh, I'm not the feminist type, yeah, I'm not a feminist, yeah. I'm not a feminist, guys. I'm not a person who believes in basic equality between the both genders, yeah. I'm not a person who will stand up for what is basic. For people who say that you're not feminist, you fucking are. If you believe that men and women should have equal rights, that's it. That's what makes you a feminist. That's it. There's nothing else. And equality is a fight that's been fought around the world for centuries now. Like take the African Americans and their fight against slavery. I'm sure at that point there were these assholes who were just standing on the corner going like, oh my god, these African Americans, why are they always whining, yeah? Why do they have to always complain about this basic equality? There's the other argument, which is like feminists, real feminists, they talk about the real issues. They don't whine about everything. What is this wage gap and all? How can you whine about that? How can they have problems with like, such superficial things like, sexism in movies or, wherever else? Talk about the real issues like, infanticide and dowry. That's it, guys. Those are the... What is not a real issue to you is probably a real issue for a lot of people, alright? We are here today in this position because for years people have been whining about the problems you don't think are... It's like at that point, some of these slaves went like, let's talk about whether we should be allowed to vote and, choose who can rule us. And someone went like, why don't you talk about the real issue of slavery first and then discuss? First is, I don't get women who complain about this stuff. Women who say things like, I have never faced sexism like that, yeah. You're going too much overboard. If you haven't faced any kind of sexism from you or your family or your friends and your surroundings, good for you. Amazing. That's great. Happy to hear that. But don't stop other people from talking. Next time you read something that you think is just, this is not feminism, it's not the real just shush. Just shut up. Just please. For the last time, people who still keep denying that they're feminists, if you believe that men and women should have equal rights, that's all you require to be a feminist. That's the definition. That's it. That is what being a feminist is. If you have a friend who says, no, I'm not a feminist, just give him a tupply and say, you are. You just don't know it yet. Sometimes people say stuff like, I believe in equal rights for men and women, but I'm not a feminist. I'm not a feminist. Aziz Ansari had this great joke. He was like, that's like doctors saying, hey, doctor, what do you do? Oh, I treat, skin diseases. Oh, are you a dermatologist? Oh, no, I'm not a dermatologist. No.